Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to make your likes public on X. So if you're wondering how to make your likes public on X, then the truth is that actually you can do that, because since 2024 X made all likes private by default, and there's currently no settings that you can use to make them public again. So when you go to your profile, to your likes section, you will see all the posts that you have ever liked, but this view is only visible to you and no one on X, even your followers and non-followers users, cannot see it except you. But there's one workaround that you can use in order to share with X community that you like some kind of post. So basically, if you want people to know what you enjoy on X, then you will need to retweet or repost some kind of post, or also you can quote it. So let's go to some kind of post, and you want to tap this 2 arrows in square icon and select here repost or quote option. Let's select probably quote, for example, and you can add your comment to this. So I don't know, type whatever, like check this post out or something else, and then you have to tap post icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So let me add something, and you will see it if you go to your profile. In your posts section you will see all your posts. So yeah, that's the only way how you can make move the post that you like to your X profile. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.